Parents of one of the teenagers who's accused of bullying a Polk County girl to her death have now filed a claim against the Polk County Sheriff. The family's attorney tells Fox 35 that Sheriff Grady Judd didn't have a case. Fox 35's Kimberly Wiggins explains.
It's a case that saddened the world. 12-year-old Rebecca Sedgwick took her own life after prosecutors say she was bullied. Two of Sedgwick's classmates were arrested, but not criminally charged.
I would say that there's no winners here.
Larry Walters represents one of those teenagers. Earlier this year, Sedgwick's family filed a lawsuit against the school board and the second teen who was arrested, not Walters' client.
Notably, my client was not named in that lawsuit. I think it's obvious here that Grady Judd had the wrong person.
Walters argues no charges were ever filed, and the sheriff should have never released the names of the juveniles possibly involved.
When you're shown to be responsible for somebody else's death, when your face is paraded around national media, when the sheriff of your county stands up and said, "You did this, you're responsible for this death," what does that do to somebody? It crushes them. This episode has changed her life.
The family is seeking restitution for their daughter's medical costs and compensation for the trauma she's experienced.
You don't charge people with felonies to try to call attention to an issue. You don't round up an innocent 12-year-old girl to try to do something about a problem like cyberbullying, particularly when that girl happens to be innocent.
We contacted the Polk County Sheriff's Office. They sent a statement which says, in part, "We look forward to vigorously defending the Polk County Sheriff's Office and Sheriff Grady Judd from allegations that the sheriff and agency provided public record documents and information from public records and their custody to the general public and to the news media. We will defend the public's right to know about felony arrest and be educated and informed about the dangers of bullying in our schools and communities." The state and the sheriff will now have 6 months to decide whether to settle the matter or take it to court. Reporting in Longwood, Kimberly Wiggins, Fox 35 News.